Introducing Gemini Risk Assessor, AI-powered safety management for the modern workplace. Gemini Risk Assessor revolutionizes workplace safety with AI-powered features for risk assessments, tool management, and team collaboration. Creating a comprehensive risk assessment is now effortless. Capture site images, select PPE, input environmental factors and team size, and describe the task. With one click, Gemini AI analyzes the data and generates a detailed risk assessment. Review the AI-generated hazards, risks, and control measures. Edit as needed, then save to your device or share with your team. Gemini also simplifies tool safety management. Upload a tool image, add a description, and let Gemini explain safe usage practices. Save explanations for quick future reference or share with your team to promote proper tool handling. Promote a proactive safety culture with easy near-miss reporting. Quickly document incidents, and Gemini AI will suggest preventive measures. Collaborate seamlessly with your team in group workspaces. Share assessments, tools, and near-miss reports. Engage in AI-enhanced group discussions. Chat with Gemini AI about specific assessments or tools for instant, context-aware insights. Generate interactive safety quizzes to reinforce learning. Summarize discussions and get AI-generated safety tips on demand. With Gemini Risk Assessor, experience faster assessments, improved collaboration, and continuous safety awareness. Empower your team with AI-driven safety. Download Gemini Risk Assessor now and transform your safety culture.